welcome to NasikesKitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare Blue Lagoon. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. For now, I'm going to have my Blue Lagoon. It is very satisfying. The ingredients that I'm going to use are sugar, a half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, blue food color, and colorless carbonated drink. Let's get to the next step. The first step is to make the blue syrup. I'm going to add the blue food color in my cooking pot. Then I add water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I let it cook. So I let it cook until it becomes a syrup. My blue syrup is ready. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. So at this stage, I'm going to apply lemon on the sides of my glass. It's good to go. Then I will dip in my sugar. You see how lovely it looks. First, I'm going to add the carbonated drink in my glass. I'll add my orange juice. Then I'll add my lemon juice. I'll add the blue syrup. You can see how lovely it looks. Then I'm going to add my ice cubes. And here is my straw, and I've garnished using a sliced lemon. Guys, you should try out this recipe. You can see how lovely it looks. It's so amazing. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.